Okay, hello everybody. Today we are going to be making a paper claw. Okay, so you won't be needing anything except for a piece of paper, of course. Okay, so now let's get started. First thing you want to do is get this corner over here and fold it like this. And you want to make sure that at the end over here, that it's pointy, like that. Now that you've gotten that, get this end and fold it down like this. Okay. After you've done that, you want to get these corners, flip it over like this, and get these corners and fold them like that. Okay, after you've done that, you want to fold this part up onto this triangle part, and it should look like part of the triangle. Okay, after you've done that, fold the whole thing in half like this. Okay, after you've gotten that, get this tip and fold it down like this. And then after that, you get this end and fold it over it. After that, flip it over. And you see this corner? You want to fold that up like that so that this is just like a slant. After that, you see this little pocket here? You're going to want to get this, bend it, and put it inside of that pocket. And crease it like that. Okay. After you've done that, you're done. And right here, you're gonna want to widen it a little and stick your finger in, and there you go. And if you make 5 of them, you are able to get a whole hand of them. Okay, thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing, or if you like this video, click the like button and have a good rest of your day.